SEC has put forward its last trump card in case against XRP. But XP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on the support of the US presidential administration. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. The fight to get regulatory clarity for the crypto industry continues as Ripple and the SEC are suing it. Ripple has filed an objection to the SEC's recent request for additional time to challenge the recent ruling made by the presiding judge in the case, Judge Sarah Netburn. Ripple claims that the SEC is only trying to delay the case and contradicts itself with its latest proposal. Ripple's defendants responded to a recent motion filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, with a strong refusal. The SEC has filed a motion challenging Judge Sarah Netburn's ruling that several key documents cannot be protected by the Deliberative Process Privilege, DPP, and must be turned over to Ripple. The aspect of the ruling that the SEC most strongly opposed in the filed motion is the highly controversial emails containing a draft of Bill Hinman's speech, which was distributed to the Commission and called Record 9 in the context of the case. The SEC's motion asked the court to give him more time to submit supporting documents that would show that the emails in question were advisory in nature. The Securities and Exchange Commission respectfully declares that these additional documents clarify the truly deliberative nature of the discussions related to the speech within the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Securities and Exchange Commission proposal says. Ripple claims that the SEC contradicted itself because it had long claimed that Hinman's speech was his personal opinion. The Securities and Exchange Commission apparently intends to oppose its repeated allegations and sworn statements that Director Bill Hinman's speech in June 2018 represented only his personal views, Ripple notes. Ripple's legal team also points out that the SEC already had enough time to submit documents before making a decision, but it did not do so. They argue that the SEC cannot be allowed to do this now because it was a violation of judicial precedent. Despite the fact that in his previous briefing and arguments he had the opportunity to claim that Record 9 and similar documents are related to the agency's discussions on the regulation of Ether or digital assets in a broader sense, he did not do so. He can't do that now, Ripple's proposal says. Members of the Ripple community and owners of the controversial XRP token parse Hinman's speech to point out that contrary to the SEC's claim that it was Hinman's opinion, it doesn't seem to be the case. Staunch XRP supporter John Deaton recently pointed to an interview Hinman gave to CNBC after a speech in which he constantly used "we," referring to how the statements he made in his speech were made. Community members who noted the SEC's decision to hand over drafts of the speech are now asking why the SEC objects to the decision if the speech did not reflect their position. A federal judge on Monday gave the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, until February 17 to challenge its earlier order to hand over to defendant Ripple Labs some confidential government documents in the agency's lawsuit alleging that the XRP token is an unregistered security. Ripple and XRP investors initially believed they had won the lawsuit after U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn ordered the SEC on January 13 to hand over documents, including records of private SEC meetings with third parties about Ethereum and a draft of a controversial 2018 speech. By then SEC Director William Hinman, who stated that Bitcoin and Ether are not securities. But the Securities and Exchange Commission backed down, asking for additional time to challenge the disclosure order, and now Netburn is giving the Commission almost 4 weeks to do so. The SEC sued Ripple Labs and two senior executives of the company in December 2020, alleging that the sale of XRP was an unregistered offer of securities worth more than $1.38 billion. In its defense, the San Francisco-based payment technology company claims that the SEC has not provided fair notice that it will treat the XRP token differently than Bitcoin and Ether. Since the United States and many countries around the world are still developing a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies, the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple is being closely monitored for its potential to legally define XRP and many other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies collapsed this week. Since November, about $1.5 trillion has been crossed out of the total market price of the cryptocurrency. Subscribe now to Forbes Crypto Asset and Blockchain Advisor and discover hot new NFT and crypto blockbusters ready to bring 1000% profit. This week, the price of Bitcoin has fallen below $35,000 per Bitcoin, and Ethereum and other major cryptocurrencies have also plummeted. The price of Ethereum has dropped to about $2,400 compared to almost $5,000 at the end of last year, when JP Morgan issued a serious warning about the price of Ethereum. Now that Bitcoin, Ethereum and some of the other 10 largest cryptocurrencies continue to struggle, Ethereum's competitors BNB and Solana, Ripple XRP, Terra's Luna stablecoin network and meme-based Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have rallied, each adding from 2% to 7% compared to the previous year. The last 24 hours. The main crypto market is headed by the moon of Terra, which grew by 5% yesterday. Luna is one of the most effective cryptocurrencies over the past year, which has increased its price by a staggering 7,500% since January 2021. Meanwhile, Dogecoin, a Bitcoin competitor backed by Tesla's Elon Musk, gained almost 4% and returned to the top 10 cryptocurrencies, according to the CoinMarketCap website. Shiba Inu, a rival memcoin based on Doga, also jumped after the collapse of the cryptocurrency this week, adding more than 7%. Further in the charts of the crypto market, CrowCrypto.com and the Cosmos Atom added about 8%. Despite the sharp drop in cryptocurrency prices this week, many observers of the cryptocurrency market believe that the price of Bitcoin may have now reached the bottom. The live XRP price today is 60 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,334 million US. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.25% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.